Welcome back, folks. Just a quick little review on NASDAQ today. Here's the fair value gap I told you we would likely drop into. I wanted to see if it would perform as an inversion fair value gap once it got above it. Uh, this gap right in here is the next draw, and same premise here. If we can get above it, get back in, treat it as an inversion fair value gap to run the high here and up here. Okay, so that's the draw. There's a small little gap in here. Just be mindful of that as well. I'm going to drop right down into a 1-minute chart. All right, so we're looking at the 1-minute chart on NASDAQ, and show you the business here. All right, so we had this morning, I walked you through a live execution on X. So I walked you through every individual candlestick, how it should behave down here, and draw up into the liquidity here and not need to take out that high. So it's a small little run here. You can see that there, there. Okay, so I'll counsel you to look at the X account. I'll post the link to the video in the comment section of this video so you can see it. And then today we had Buyside, and at the open at 9:30 right there, we ran away and left relative equal high. I'm sorry, relative equal lows, excuse me. And looking back at 7 o'clock, we opened here. So where's the buy side? Here. So it rallied up, ran above that. There's me entering at that high. And inside of version fair value gap. Yeah, anchored the right way. All right, you can see that's the business there. So upper quadrant of that and the old high, and the market dropped off aggressively. Right in here, the initial stop loss was half of this wick. Wick right here. Okay. And there's the entry, and the market breaks lower. Consequent encouragement doesn't get back to consequent encouragement, works the lower half still, breaks, runs for the relative equal lows in here. And you can see that being filled there, right below it, right below that line. And the rest of the day, we've been meandering around, and it's likely to draw to that daily objective over time. Tomorrow we have big news as well. Just be aware and be careful until I talk to you next time. Be safe.